What are NFTs? Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be covering NFTs and the craze behind them. For those of you that don't know, there's been as of late, within the last year or 6 months, the whole craze behind the whole NFT market has really taken over the whole crypto world. Just to give you a brief idea of what an NFT is basically a digital art. That's what it is. It's a piece of art that is in a digital form. I'm going to show you a clip that will further show you what it is exactly. But stay tuned, watch the whole clip. It's only going to be like a 2 to 3 minute clip. After that, I'm going to be discussing a couple of companies that I'm currently invested in that do offer NFTs as part of their business. Before I get into the video, I'm going to go ahead and go on this website here. It's on Christie's. And just to give you an idea of how popular these NFTs have been, Beeples, which is a famous, I guess, digital art person, I'm going to read off a little bit of what he did. On May 1st, 2007, Mike Winkelmann, aka the digital artist Beeple, posted a new work of art online. He did the same thing the next day and the next and one after that, creating and posting a brand new digital picture, or every day as he called it, every single day for 13 and a half years. Now those individual pieces have been brought together in every day's the first 5,000 days, a unique work in the history of digital art. Minted exclusively for Christie's, the monumental digital collage was offered on a single lot sale currently with First Open and relisted $69,346,250, making two industry firsts. Christie's is the first major auction house to offer a purely digital work with a unique NFT non-fungible token, effective, a guarantee authenticity. Guys, I'm going to show you a clip that's going to describe this in further detail, and then I'm going to get back to you and I'm going to show you what I'm currently invested in and how you can be invested as well. Here you go.
This is Nightingale. He's part cat, part Pop-Tart. The gif of a rainbow casting feline was a viral meme back in 2011. Fast forward to February 2021, the original gif was sold at an online auction for 300 Ether, the cryptocurrency that powers the Ethereum network. That was equivalent to nearly $600,000 at the time. You may be asking how someone can own the original copy of a GIF that was pervasive around the internet. It's because it was sold as an NFT, or non-fungible token, which acts like a digital certificate of authenticity. The market for NFTs ballooned in 2020, climbing to a market cap of at least $338 million from about $41 million in 2018. But skeptics are asking whether these assets are really worth the value assigned to them, especially if all it takes to view them is an internet connection. To understand how NFTs work, first you need to understand what fungibility is. Fungibility refers to the ability of an asset to be exchanged or substituted with similar assets of the same value. A simple example of a fungible asset is currency. Say you have 5 $1 bills in your wallet. You may not want to carry around so much change, so you exchange them for a single $5 bill. The value of your money is still $5, regardless of the fact it's now in a different form. Non-fungible assets are the opposite. Each one is unique and can't be easily substituted for something similar. Think of the Mona Lisa. It's an original piece of art. It couldn't be swapped out for, say, a Mona Lisa poster from the Louvre gift shop, because the poster doesn't hold the same value. NFTs are cryptocurrencies, but unlike fungible cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, they are completely unique. They exist as a string of numbers and letters stored on a blockchain ledger. This information can contain who owns the digital asset, who sold it, and when it was sold. This information is also encrypted, ensuring the NFT's authenticity and scarcity. In doing so, they fix a difficult problem for digital creators on the internet: how to make your creation scarce and therefore more valuable. One of the early applications of creating this scarcity was the digital collectible game CryptoKitties, which emerged in 2017. Users were able to buy, trade, and breed digital cat collectibles. Each new cat was an NFT, which certified its originality and ownership. Since then, NFTs have been applied to video games, digital art, and sports memorabilia. One example is NBA Top Shot, which allows users to procure a collection of digital basketball highlights, like a video clip of a posterizing dunk. All highlights are NFTs and have become big business. By mid-March, NBA Top Shot had clocked in over $338 million in sales since it went live in October 2020. Non-fungible tokens are making their way into the mainstream art world as well. Auction house Christie's opened bidding for its first purely digital art NFT. Bids rocketed into the millions of dollars.
Guys, this video shows you a little bit more in detail of how a digital art, an NFT, works. It's almost incredible, kind of, when you think about it and you say, wow, these people are buying these pieces of art for so much money. But at the same time, this is what's really going on right now. And because of that, I always like to, connect the dots and say, okay, well, if that's what's going on right now, and I've been hearing about it more and more and more, then I say to myself, okay, why don't we look into some of these companies that are popular right now, or that are about to get popular, invest a little bit of capital in them, and then make some money off of this craze right now. Now, I don't know how long this is going to last, guys, but what I do know is that whenever something comes along like this, you want to take full advantage. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. But it's an opportunity as well to, get involved in this and take advantage of it as well, because it's going to come and go, guys. It's going to be hot one minute, it's going to be cold the next. So if you want to make some money, this is a good opportunity, in my opinion. Some of the companies that I'm investing in is, there's a couple of them, okay? One of them is Atari. For those of you who don't know, a long time ago, there was a company called Atari, before there was Nintendo, before there was PlayStation and all that. Atari. Their ticker symbol, and they're only traded on the OTC market, over the counter. Their ticker symbol is PONGF, PONGF. You can look them up. I got into them at about 62 cents. Since then, they've been going up, and I'm up at like 20% on it, okay? A second company that I'm invested in is Monaco Group. That's ticker symbol MKGI. MKGI, Monaco Group. Do your own due diligence, and guys, investigate for yourselves. But these are companies that are going to be in the NFT field, okay? So if you're interested, you can take a look at those companies. Another company that I'm invested in is Sino Group. SINO. Those are three companies that I'm looking at that I have money currently invested. Now, it's not big money, because I'm not going to invest in something that I don't fully understand, but I know that this can make me some money in the short term, okay? And this is just what I'm doing. Like I said, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing, and I think it's going to get popular in the weeks and months to come, and I like to invest in things before everybody finds out about them. But for that reason is why I present this information to you guys. So in case you didn't know what the hell that was, an NFT, well, now you know. At least you get a better idea of what it is. And now when you hear it, you won't be like, and then find out about it 6 months later and say, wow, I could have got this Atari stock at 60 something cents, and now it's $5. With that, guys, I'm not going to take too much of your time. I just wanted to present this information for you, because I've been hearing it more and more and more on television, on internet, online, and stuff like that. If you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us there. It's at InvestingOG on Twitter. And please, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, please make sure you click the notification bell. Once you click that bell, then you get these videos as soon as we release them, okay? With that, guys, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.